how to connect a new Oculus Quest 2 controller. So if you want to connect a new Oculus Quest 2 controller, then what you need to do is first make sure that your headset is turned on. Then open the Meta Horizon mobile app on your phone. On your phone, open the Meta Horizon app, tap the three horizontal lines menu at the top of your Horizon feed. Then tap on devices and then select the headset you want to pair controllers to. Tap on the headset settings and then tap on controllers, tap on pair new controller. Choose which controller you'd like to pair. Press and hold the Meta button or Oculus button and then the B button on your right controller, or you can also go with the next combination, which is your menu button and Y button on your left controller until the controller LED blinks and then lights up to finalize the pairing. Once you've paired your controllers, the controllers will automatically connect to your headset each time you turn it on, if it's nearby. In this way, you'll be able to pair your controllers or connect a new Oculus Quest 2 controller. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.